Read along to enhance your skills while speaking at regular speed. Thanks for joining us today.
Once upon a time, in the magical land of Calendaria, the days of the week were more than just names on a page. They were lively characters with distinct personalities. Let's dive into their delightful escapades. Monday, the Grumpy Grouch. Monday was always grumpy. It woke up with a frown, muttering, "Why can't I be Saturday?" It despised alarm clocks and had a talent for tripping people on their way to work. But deep down, Monday secretly loved organizing things. It was the day when socks found their mates and lost pens magically reappeared. Despite its sour demeanor, Monday's efficiency was unmatched in the land of Calendaria, earning begrudging respect, even from its fellow days. Tuesday, the taco enthusiast. Tuesday was all about tacos. It wore a sombrero and carried a tiny maraca. Hola! It would greet everyone. Taco Tuesday, my friends. Tuesday's mission was to spread joy through crispy shells and spicy salsa. It even invented a dance called the taco twist. You would find it twirling in the grocery store aisles, chanting, "Guacamole, cha-cha-cha." Its love for tacos extended beyond just eating them. Tuesday often hosted taco-making workshops, sharing its secret salsa recipe with anyone willing to learn. Wednesday, the jokester. Wednesday thought it was a comedian. It loved telling jokes. Its favorite? Why did the calendar break up with Saturday? Because it took Sunday for granted. It would laugh so hard that its letters wiggled like jelly. Wednesday was the day when office workers dreamed of Friday and secretly Googled how many days until Christmas. Despite its penchant for humor, it had a wise side too, often dispensing sage advice to those who sought it out beneath the shade of the midweek slump. Thursday, the happy-go-lucky. Thursday is maybe the happiest day of the week. It bounces around with a big grin, making everyone feel super cheerful. And its positive energy is like a magical potion that cheers up all the other days. Thursday beams with happiness and says, "Why be gloomy when you can be groovy?" It believes that a sprinkle of laughter and a dash of positivity can turn any frown upside down. Thursday reminds us that every day can feel like a fantastic journey, and even on the tough days, Friday comes right after Thursday. Friday, the party animal. Friday was the life of the week. It wore glittery sneakers and had a disco ball for a head. TGIF baby, it would shout, throwing confetti everywhere. Friday hosted epic dance-offs between the days. Monday did the robot, Tuesday with salsa, and Wednesday did the worm. Friday's motto? Work hard, dance harder. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Friday transformed into a beacon of neon lights, guiding revelers to its vibrant dance floors, where worries melted away amidst the pulsating rhythm of the weekend. Saturday, the lazy lounger. Saturday was often seen in a hammock strung between two palm trees. It wore sunglasses and sipped coconut water. Ah, the sweet sound of nothing, Saturday would sigh. It napped, sunbathed, and invented new cloud shapes. Saturday's best friend was Sunday, and they would gossip about the other days. Did you see Monday's grumpy face? Saturday would chuckle. Yet beneath its laid-back exterior, Saturday held a deep appreciation for the simple joys of life, finding contentment in the gentle sway of its hammock and the soothing whispers of the breeze. Sunday, the chill Zen master. Sunday wore flowing robes and meditated by the river. It would say profound things like, "The present moment is a gift. Also, do not forget to water your plants." Sunday loved lazy brunches and sunsets. It would gather the days in a circle and lead mindfulness sessions. "Breathe in, breathe out," Sunday whispered. Even Monday felt less grumpy after a session. As the week drew to a close, Sunday embraced its role as the harbinger of tranquility, casting a serene aura that enveloped Calendaria in a peaceful embrace, ready to usher in a fresh start, with the dawn of a new week. And so, the days of the week danced through life, each with its quirks and charms. They taught us that every day is a gift, whether it is a Monday or a Saturday. So next time you check your calendar, remember, behind those dates lie magical stories waiting to be lived.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!